So here I got the 8-inch twin mattress from wOod-it. I was looking through all the frequently asked questions. I saw how long does it take to expand to the 8 inches? Do you need a box spring with this mattress? And then is it double-sided? Can you use it on both sides? So I'm gonna answer all those questions for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. For the first question, how long does it take to fully expand to the 8 inches? Mine took basically 24 hours or maybe even less. So it happened pretty fast. So give it like a day, but after a day, it will be good to go. And at the 8 inches, or if you get the 6-inch version, probably the 6 inches. For the second question, do you need a box spring with this mattress? So I personally use a box spring with all my mattresses, but you wouldn't need a box spring if you have a platform bed or slats, something with slats all the way through that can give it support. That would work as well. So as long as you got something underneath giving it support, it'll be good to go even without a box spring. And then for the final question, is this mattress double-sided? Yes, it is double-sided, so whatever side you use, it'll work perfectly fine. It's memory foam all the way through, so it won't feel any different on either side of the bed. But overall, it's an awesome quality bed. It's super affordable, so it would work great for any kid's room or guest bedroom type thing. So I'm happy with my purchase, and if you're looking for a bed, just get the job done for your kids. This is gonna work perfect.